Kondar manoero ma Kisumu Boisa ma bende yudore e boma ma Kisumu. Achiedh nade ma bende otimore okinyi ma kawuono. Mach ma kamano ero ma bende nomuoch gimoro saa 2:30 okinyi ma kawuono. Kata kamano wachi kata ler nitiere ni ne ok ohinyo japuonjre moro amora kaluwore ni jopuonjre ne nitiere classes e kinde no ero kendo gidhi nyime kod somo. Wacha ma kama endi ogol kod jatend skund no ero kata principal ma Kisumu Boys mano ero Miss Dan kana owiye kendo kama endi kaka oloso.
What we can say at the moment is that so far no casualty has been reported, and apart from the damages, the assessment of the damage is also going on. We are going to involve the relevant agencies to do the assessment of the exact damages that have been caused. Even at the moment, we will not be able to say exactly what is the extent of the damage, but we know there are classes that have been damaged, there are dormitories that have been damaged, but no life lost, no casualties so far.
And funny thing that our dormitory was in time with one of the classes, so that also got affected, one of the classes that are there. I also want to report clearly, we had 1,500 boys in the compound, and none has been affected by this fire stand. There's no casualty by this fire stand. And I also want to report, the fire has been contained, but now we are working on the program to make the school restore its status. About whether we can close or not, that one we are deciding a moment by the executive board and be communicated in due course by bulk SMS to our parents.